In today's video, we are going to show you 10 coolest gadgets that you can actually own, from futuristic innovations to practical everyday devices. These gadgets will blow your mind with their amazing features and functions. So without further ado, let's get started. QStyle, a company with a rich 10-year history in the audio industry, has proudly unveiled their latest masterpiece, the QStyle NB12 earphones. These earphones are no ordinary audio peripherals. They represent a groundbreaking achievement in portable hi-fi sound, offering a listening experience that was once reserved for desktop DACs and amplifiers. The heart of the NB12 lies in its integrated DAC and current mode amplifier, designed to capture the essence of every sound with precision and clarity. It's like experiencing a live performance in your ears, with every nuance brought to life. With its unique 10.2mm large dynamic driver, these earphones deliver a balanced sound profile, from rich lows to solid mids and delicate trebles. It is a high-resolution audio powerhouse, capable of handling audio files from 16-bit up to 24-bit. This means you can enjoy quality studio music on the go, with an astonishing 6.5 times more information than standard CDs. Moreover, it supports the Apple Lossless Audio Codec, the epitome of high-quality audio formats, thanks to its Apple MFI certification. These earphones are lightweight and constructed with meticulous attention to detail. Their high-quality aluminum housing meets strict tolerance standards, and the cable is made from silver-plated oxygen-free copper, minimalizing signal loss and sound degradation. So get ready to embark on a musical journey where every note and detail comes to life, thanks to QStyle's commitment to innovation and uncompromised audio quality.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Want to work out while having fun? Here's the Catwalk C2, an all-action and cross-platform VR gaming treadmill that you can use to stay fit in a completely new futuristic way. It will set you free from motion sickness and level up your immersion. Now when you are playing a VR game, you won't have to worry about accidentally hitting your furniture. This modern solution provides 360-degree natural movement in VR from a single spot at your home. Your in-game character will match your movements when you walk in real life. How cool is that? Trust us, it will definitely enhance your entire VR gaming experience. FlickTwist is an extraordinary device that unlocks a realm of limitless possibilities, seamlessly integrating your smart home ecosystem to redefine control and ambiance. With its intuitive twists and turns, this device gives you the power to orchestrate your home's lights, music, and more without needing voice commands or complex apps. It adapts flawlessly to vibrant color scenes and syncs harmoniously with volume settings, creating an immersive sensory experience. Plus, it lets you adjust your window blinds effortlessly with a flick of your wrist, fine-tuning the perfect balance between natural light and privacy. It unlocks up to 12 captivating presets, giving you the ability to shape the ambiance with a simple twist or tap. Seamlessly integrated with the ever-evolving smart home ecosystem powered by Matter technology, the FlickTwist paves the way to a connected home, where convenience and control coexist perfectly. Meet Halo, the ultimate smart plant growing and display lamp. With a sleek design and smart home integration, it brings nature and technology together in perfect balance. Made with solid ash wood, powder-coated aluminum, and powder-soaked steel, it exudes elegance and durability. Illuminate your plants with a gentle 3000K light temperature and 1200 lumens brightness, providing the ideal conditions for growth. Halo is not just for plants, it's also a stylish showcase for your favorite curiosities. Plus, it allows you to control it effortlessly with popular smart home devices like Alexa and Google Home, or via your smartphone's intuitive Smart Life app. This display lamp has been designed to be extremely easy to assemble at home, and the process is simple. Experience the perfect blend of nature, innovation, and simplicity with Halo, and create a greener, more charming atmosphere in your home. Holograms are no longer science fiction. You can put them right on your desk with the Looking Glass Portrait. You don't need any special equipment to take holographic shots. Most of the latest smartphones can do that. Believe it or not, these portrait mode photos you've been taking have depth information hidden behind them. And now, the software that comes with every Looking Glass Portrait can use that same depth of info to generate a three-dimensional hologram. With a single clip, aside from displaying all your 3D photos and videos, this thing can be used for holographic video messages. There's a lot of compatible software that lets you snap, edit, and share your own holograms. Moreover, you can run various apps and games right on display and even interact with them using additional accessories. This portable fireplace from Flicker Fire will add some soothing touches to all your gatherings, in and outdoors. And yes, you can roast marshmallows on it. The refill will take just a couple of moments and is unlike real fire. This practical fireplace produces no smoke, but a clean flame and comfortable warmth only. Now you can experience a campfire without the smoke, ash, or costly firewood. It will even add an elegant touch to your space, like a mini fireplace. Get ready to snore no more with Ali Sleep. This smart pillow is so much more than just a comfy place to rest your noggin. It's a snore-stopping, muscle-massaging dream come true. With its round tube wave pattern and ergonomic shape, this pillow is the best solution to get a good night's sleep after a hectic day. Not only is it super comfy and supportive, it's also equipped with 4 built-in airbags that detect snoring and gently adjust your head to open up your airway. It's like having a personal snore patrol on duty all night long. But that's not all. The Ali Sleep Pillow is also a master masseuse. With its 30-minute massage method, it uses the power of inflation and deflation to soothe your neck and shoulder muscles before bed. It's like having a mini spa session right in your own bedroom. And let's not forget about the pillowcase. It's made from soft and cozy cotton, ensuring a dreamy sleep experience. Here's a levitating marvel straight out of the future, the Moon by One Ring. With this sleek and stylish device, you'll feel like a true space cadet as you monitor and control your home and office environments with ease. But what makes the Smart Home Hub truly out of this world is its patented 360-degree stabilizing levitation technology. That's right, this security camera floats in mid-air, rotating freely at the swipe of your finger. It's like having a miniature spaceship right in your living room. But don't be fooled by its futuristic appearance. The Moon is packed with features that are grounded in practicality. It features 3 high-precision microphones that can pinpoint the source and direction of incoming sound, making sure that you never miss a beat. And with full HD and night vision capabilities, motion detection, and smart notifications, you'll be able to keep a watchful eye on your home at all times. Is that a card holder? No, that's one of the most portable shavers you've seen. It's the size of a credit card and it's less than 0.5 inches thick, but it'll give you a clean shave. A powerful motor combined with stainless steel blades ensures excellent shaving quality. Thanks to the ultra-thin mesh, the shaver gets really close to your skin without any cuts. Keeping the device clean is easy, just rinse it with water and voila! As for charging, you can use a regular USB-C cord or even a wireless charger, nothing else. Having a personal swimming pool at home will give you and your family a completely private place to relax. However, the real hassle begins when it comes to cleaning. That's where the Lidesto P1 Max comes in. This advanced robot is equipped with 3 powerful brushes that can eliminate stubborn debris and stains from your pool's wall and bottom, leaving your pool sparkling clean. It boasts a superior filtration rate of 280 LPM, allowing it to suction debris as large as 16 millimeters, while filtering 15 cubic meters of water per hour. The P1 Max is also designed for maximum coverage, capable of cleaning an impressive 1,937 square feet in just 90 minutes per charge. This means you can enjoy a spotless pool environment in no time. And the best part, when the battery runs low, the P1 Max automatically returns to its charging station, taking the hassle out of pool cleaning and freeing up your time. It's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy a pristine pool environment all summer long. So that concludes our list of the 10 coolest gadgets you can actually own. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.